Yo, it's Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I'm just about to start going down this hallway into the bathroom. So I'll pop this camera on my head and we'll start. I hope everyone's having a good day. I am. I love what I do. I love having people happy. I've been doing it for 35 years. If I don't know what I'm doing by now, I never will. What we do here with the clips, like this was laid the other day, I need to get my clips in there, so what we do cut a bit of glue out. You don't have to go miles under there. This is to show you DIYs how the true tradie does it. I am a true tradie, not just a wannabe. And there's a lot of wannabes out there. What we do, you see that straight edge? That whole row is beautiful and straight. Pop those there. I will just pop the broom on it just in case I have created a bit of dust over time. I thought it was pretty clean, so never hurts just to give things a bit of a sweep as you go. And woo woo, we're off. We get a few tiles. This is where my stash of tiles are. I work with one of these trolleys a lot. They're so handy. They're handy for carrying, you know, doing my tiles. I have it right beside me and I just open them up as I need them. As I'm tiling, they're right there beside me. I've shown you before how I don't get up and down. Once I'm down, I'm always down laying tiles. These ones are going to be for the bathroom. They're going to look, get that cardboard off. That's how it's going to look. Whoop, 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 whoop. See that? That's going to be the wall tiles. That's the way they're going. I'm using black aluminium everywhere because they're going to have black shower fittings and shower rows, you know. So it's gonna be so cool. Right, I wanted to protect that leather lounge suite. My drop sheet looks a bit shitty on top, but it is clean underneath. Up, missed the table. This is sort of one of those areas that you always seem to get, but you get it done, move on. Now, where's my glue? The rain stopped, so we're lucky. I'll need that rubber hammer. Sometimes I say we, but it's all the tiles that get laid by me. I work by myself, that's the way I like to work. I've got all you people to show how to do things. I've had my run of apprentices and all that sort of thing. Put that over there. It's easier to take the cardboard off when it's dry. You must always check though that you've got all the paper and cardboard off the bottom of your tile. Bit of a pain sometimes, but hey, it's not that bad. Once I come down this hall and into the bathroom, I've got to pick up these smart wastes tonight on the way home. This is how you do your clips when your glue is dry. So like down that whole line, when I'll be laying that tomorrow, I've stayed away from the edge slightly, but I'll still be trimming my clip so it fits under easily. Look at that. Beauty. Now that's a beautiful trowel for getting glue out of your bucket. A lot of times when I'm doing a bigger area, I'll lean the bucket over like that and, you know, scoop it out like that. But I don't need that much glue. put the straightage there, so it gives me a bit of a guide for my glue. What you see is what you get. I am the true blue. Now I did that for a reason. It takes up my glue at the edge. So I know I've got glue under my corner as well. Whooshka! It's all nice. And then you do the same process. Get your glue away from the edge of the tile. I'll do that cut tomorrow. That one, I've got to fluff around with the grinder, so I'll just do it tomorrow. Slightly lifted my tile. Okay everyone, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, whoop, 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 and we'll catch you soon. See ya, bye.